I'm going to show you basic multiplication tricks. So without further ado, we will start. First, 2000 times 300. So the trick should be 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that we will write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer should be 600,000. Next, another example. 12,000 times 2,000. So the answer should be 12 times 2, 24. Then count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 24 million. Another example. 24 million times 20,000. So 24 times 2 is 48. So count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 480 billion. Okay, so that's all. And I still have one more examples left. Example 5,002 times 400. So what you're going to do is to make 5,002 change this one into 5,000 plus 2. So we have 5,000 times 400. It is 5 times 4, 20. Then count the number of zeros. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then add it with 400 times 2, which is 800. So the answer should be 2,800,000. Okay, that's all.